Nikki here, Bobby Combs RV Center. As you can see, we are standing in a 2025 Wolfpack 24 14.5. There are some new features on these 2025 models that they didn't have before in the previous models. As you can see over to my right, you have a nice big sink and you have a cup washing little station. You still have a 12-volt fridge. They did away with the oven and they have the microwave down here now, and they still have your stovetop burner. You have a prep for a camera in here. The colors are a little bit darker than usual. These countertops are marbled. And let's flip you around so I can show you the other side that they have changed. As you can see, there's no bunk back in here. They took the bunk out to give you more clearance for your taller toys, side-by-sides, all that good stuff. They also took out the folding chairs for like your dinette, for the bottom bunk. Instead, they put a sliding door. They gave you some big chairs, and they gave you a couple heavy duty cots in case you do have extra people that are staying. They gave you this stable countertop, doesn't fold down, and they give you a huge screen TV. Also, I'll flip you around and show you the cool little graphics up on the top above the sliding door. That is a cute little touch. Up top there, you have your Wolfpack little symbols. There's your TV. I just love the lots of light that come in now with the dark colors. Very aesthetic. You've got your bathroom. Lots of room and tall ceilings. And then you have your bedroom. High up bed. Plenty of room. Well, if you want to come check out this new floor plan on this Wolfpack, very unique, very new, come see us, Bobby Combs RV Center.